Gadget Rum Club crew, it's Focus Dan, and welcome back to the wildest ride in the tech and rum universe. Buckle up, because tonight we've got an episode that's going to blow your mind and get your pulse racing faster than a shot of Captain Morgan. I know it's been a hot minute since our last episode, but there's a good reason for that. I've been hard at work on something truly special, the Route 66 remix. It's almost ready to drop, and I can't wait to share it with you all. We're talking about a deep dive into the history, legends, and hidden gems along the iconic Route 66, blending the old with the new in a way you've never experienced before. So keep your eyes peeled, because it's coming soon, and it's going to be epic. But tonight, we're diving headfirst into some cutting-edge technology that'll make you feel like a superhero. Imagine a world where your health is monitored with the precision of a sea slug's nerves. Yeah, you heard me right. We're talking about stretchable microneedle technology straight out of USC, promising to revolutionize healthcare, diagnostics, and treatment. These bad boys are like having a tiny, flexible laboratory right on your skin, ensuring you stay in peak condition no matter what life throws your way. But wait, there's more. We're also slipping on the slickest piece of wearable tech on the market, the Oura Ring. This little powerhouse doesn't just track your steps, it gives you the lowdown on your sleep, heart rate, and even body temperature, all wrapped up in a sleek, stylish ring that James Bond would envy. It's like having a personal health assistant on your finger, guiding you to greatness every single day. And you know we can't forget about our favorite liquid legend, Captain Morgan Rum. We'll be mixing up some legendary cocktails and sharing tales of adventure that pair perfectly with your next tech binge. While we're not affiliated with Captain Morgan, we sure do like it a lot. It's the fuel that keeps our adventure spirited and our stories flowing. By the way, all the juicy tech news we're sharing today comes from the amazing folks over at SciTechDaily.com. Big shout out to them for keeping us in the loop with the latest and greatest in science and technology. So grab your Oura Ring, pour yourself a glass of Captain's Finest, and get ready to sail into a world where innovation meets exhilaration. This is the Gadget Rum Club podcast, where we blend the best of tech and taste for an experience you won't forget. Let's get this party started. All right, crew, let's dive into the world of stretchable microneedles and see how these tiny marvels are set to change the game. And trust me, you won't want to miss the stories we've got lined up about the Oura Ring, and of course some Captain Morgan magic. Stay tuned and stay hyped. Now, speaking of game changers, let's shift gears and talk about a groundbreaking innovation straight from the labs of USC. Imagine a world where your health is monitored with the precision of a sea slug's nerves. Yeah, you heard me right. We're talking about stretchable microneedle technology that's promising to revolutionize healthcare diagnostics and treatment. This news, brought to you by the amazing folks over at SciTechDaily.com, is about to blow your mind. These highly stretchable and customizable microneedles are like having a tiny, flexible laboratory right on your skin. Developed by the brilliant researcher Hangbo Zhao and his team, this tech is set to make invasive monitoring devices a thing of the past. Whether it's for neuroscience, tissue engineering, or wearable bioelectronics, these microneedles are paving the way for a future where high-fidelity health tracking is both comfortable and incredibly accurate. So what makes these microneedles so special? Well, traditional microneedles are rigid and often uncomfortable. Zhao's innovation lies in their flexibility. These soft microneedles can follow the deformations of muscle and skin tissues, ensuring intimate contact and minimizing tissue damage. Imagine monitoring the workings of your muscles, heartbeats, or even a weak bladder with pinpoint accuracy and without discomfort. And it's not just about comfort. The stretchable microneedles are produced using a novel manufacturing process that combines laser micromachining, microfabrication, and transfer printing, achieving the highest stretchability ever reported. Plus, they're customizable in terms of electrode geometry, recording sites, and mechanical and electrical properties, making them adaptable to a wide range of applications. One of the coolest aspects of this research is its deep sea origins. The feasibility of these microneedles was first demonstrated by recording electrical activities inside the moving muscles of a sea slug. Talk about drawing inspiration from nature. So whether it's for sensing and controlling brain and nerve activities, diagnosing neuromuscular disorders, or delivering drugs into deep tissues, these microneedles are set to revolutionize how we approach healthcare. It's innovations like these that remind us why staying on the cutting edge of tech is so damned exciting. Now, let's raise a glass of Captain Morgan's finest and toast to the future of health tech. Stay tuned, Because up next, we've got some stories about the Oura Ring that's going to take your wellness game to the next level. Cheers, and let's keep this party going. Alright crew, we've just explored the fascinating world of stretchable microneedles and their incredible potential to revolutionize healthcare. Now, let's pivot to another game-changing piece of health tech that's already making waves, the Oura Ring. Imagine having a sleek, stylish ring on your finger that doesn't just look good, but also keeps tabs on your health around the clock. The Oura Ring is all about seamlessly integrating cutting-edge technology into our daily lives, providing insights that help us optimize our well-being. So what makes the Oura Ring so special? For starters, this little powerhouse tracks your sleep, activity, and overall health metrics with unparalleled accuracy. Whether you're curious about how well you slept, how many steps you took, or even subtle changes in your body temperature, the Oura Ring has got you covered. Let's dive into its standout feature, sleep tracking. We all know that getting quality sleep is crucial for our health, and the Oura Ring takes this seriously. It breaks down your sleep into stages: deep sleep, REM sleep, light sleep, and even how long it takes you to fall asleep. With this data at your fingertips, you can start to see patterns and make adjustments to improve your sleep quality, leading to better rest and more energized days. But the Oura Ring doesn't stop at sleep. It also keeps a close eye on your activity levels, tracking your steps, calories burned, and active time throughout the day. This data helps you understand how your daily movements contribute to your overall health and recovery. Plus, with continuous heart rate monitoring and body temperature tracking, the Oura Ring provides a comprehensive picture of your well-being. The design of the Oura Ring is another big win. It's sleek, durable, and water-resistant, so you can wear it anytime, anywhere, whether you're working out, swimming, or dressing up for a night out. Available in various styles and finishes, there's an Oura Ring to match everyone's taste. And the best part? All this data syncs effortlessly with a smartphone app, giving you clear and detailed breakdowns of your health metrics. The app provides insights and recommendations, helping you make informed decisions about your lifestyle and health. So if you're ready to elevate your wellness game, the Oura Ring is your new best friend. It's the perfect blend of technology and style, offering you the tools to stay on top of your health with ease and sophistication. Up next, we've got some more exciting tales involving Captain Morgan magic. So grab your Oura Ring, pour yourself a glass of Captain's finest, and let's keep this party going. Cheers to health, innovation, and adventure. Alright crew, we've covered some incredible innovations today. From stretchable microneedles revolutionizing healthcare to the sleek and stylish Oura Ring elevating our wellness game. Now it's time to blend all that tech talk with a touch of adventure and a splash of rum magic. That's right, we're diving into our favorite rum, Captain Morgan. Picture this: you're wearing your Oura Ring, tracking your heart rate, sleep, and activity levels with pinpoint accuracy. Your health is on point thanks to these cutting-edge technologies we've discussed. Now, it's time to reward yourself with a little bit of adventure, the kind that only Captain Morgan can provide. Let's set the scene. Imagine you're in a cozy, tech-infused pirate tavern. The warm glow of digital screens illuminates the room, displaying your latest health metrics. You glance at your Oura Ring app and see that your readiness score is off the charts, perfect for a night of celebration. You raise your glass of Captain Morgan rum, toasting to the future of health tech and the adventures that await. What makes Captain Morgan rum the perfect companion for this celebration? It's the spirit of adventure, the embrace of new experiences, and the camaraderie that comes with sharing a great drink. Just like the stretchable microneedles that adapt to your body's movement and the Oura Ring that keeps you in tune with your health, Captain Morgan adds that extra spark to your life, making every moment memorable. Now, we have to mention, we don't have an official pact with Captain Morgan, but our taste buds have signed an unofficial treaty. It's the rum that turns a regular evening into an epic tale of adventure and camaraderie. As you sip on your favorite Captain Morgan cocktail, take a moment to appreciate how far we've come in merging technology with our everyday lives. From health innovations that keep us in peak condition to the simple joys of a well-crafted rum cocktail, it's all about the balancing sophistication with a touch of fun. Picture this: you're surrounded by friends, each one wearing an Oura Ring, the latest health metrics flashing on sleek screens around the room. The atmosphere is buzzing with excitement as you all raise your glasses, the rich aroma of Captain Morgan filling the air. The pirate-themed decor adds a whimsical touch, blending the past with the future, much like how we integrate the latest tech into our daily routines. So here's to the future of health, tech, innovation, and endless adventures with Captain Morgan by our side. Remember, Whether you're tracking your sleep with the Oura Ring, monitoring your health with microneedles, or just enjoying a night out with friends, it's all about making every moment count. Cheers to health, innovation, and the magic of Captain Morgan. Stay tuned for more exciting stories, and as always, keep this party going. Alright, Gadget Rum Club crew, that's a wrap for today's epic adventure. We've journeyed through the cutting-edge world of stretchable microneedles, explored the sleek and stylish Oura Ring, and toasted to the future with a splash of Captain Morgan magic. From groundbreaking health tech innovations that keep us in peak condition to the timeless joy of a well-crafted rum cocktail, we've shown that the future of wellness is all about blending sophistication with a touch of fun. Whether you're tracking your sleep, monitoring your health, or just enjoying a night out with friends, remember, it's all about making every moment count. So here's to health, innovation, and endless adventures. Keep your Oura Ring charged, your microneedles ready, and your Captain Morgan close. Stay tuned for more exciting stories, incredible gadgets, and of course, more rum-fueled escapades. As always, keep this party going and live life to the fullest. Until next time, this is Focus Dan signing off. Stay healthy, stay innovative, and keep the adventure alive. Cheers, crew.